Mild and unsettled, I think, in the next few days as far as the British Isles is concerned. Mind you, it's hardly surprising it's mild. We have southerly winds, and just look at Menorca yesterday, soaring to 26 degrees. It is going to get a little bit cooler actually across many parts of Europe, but not cool. It'll stay mild, but it's going to become more and more unsettled as time goes on, with outbreaks of rain spreading across from the west. Quite mild too over the Alps, but if you're interested in skiing, join me late tonight for the special skiing forecast. Now back to this country, we have low pressure close by, and as I said, we have those southerly winds. They're going to keep it mild in the next few days. Eventually the winds will go around a little bit more to the west, perhaps even north of west, so after the weekend perhaps just a little bit cooler, but certainly not cold by any stretch of the imagination. Now we have had some rain working its way up to the southeastern corner during today. That came along a little bit later than we thought. It was also somewhat heavier than we thought, and it's still around at the moment. So if you're out and about in the southeastern corner, take care, because there are some nice driving conditions with that spray and surface water. Here's that swathe of cloud across the southeast. There's another finger of cloud moving into Western Ireland. That'll bring some showery outbreaks across during the course of the day, but we're going to have to contend with this rain for a while. It'll eventually move away, brighter weather coming in from the south and the west at the same time as this showery band works its way onto those westernmost parts. Quite mild though, 12 or 13 degrees just about everywhere. The last of the rain exiting from East Anglia probably later on this evening, then some reasonable broken cloud for central and eastern areas, but this band of showery rain will work its way eventually across all parts of the country during the course of the night. Mild, 5 or 6 degrees. That front out of the way, but another one on the horizon for later on tomorrow. But it is going to start dry and bright, I think, in most places. Still some rain in the northeastern corner. The odd shower cropping up for a time during the course of the day, and then more general cloud and outbreaks of rain coming into southern and western areas during the afternoon and into the evening. Quite breezy, as you see, but mild, 12 or 13 degrees or so. The unsettled theme continues then into the weekend. More frontal systems around, more areas of low pressure as well. So we will find, I think, that on Saturday, as these areas of low pressure and the fronts move up to Scotland and Northern Ireland and become slow moving, there a good deal of cloud with outbreaks of rain. The rain turning showery further south, and then I think as this little low zips by, there could well be a wet spell for a time on Sunday in the south of the country. Good afternoon.